Guys, greetings of the day. So we are seeing experiment for today. So developing REST APIs with Amazon API Gateway. So first you have to log into AWS Console and then you have to go for search bar and search for API Gateway. Then click on API Gateway. So here click on create an API. Then scroll down in REST API, click on build. Okay, here give an API name, whatever you want. Then leave it as default. Okay, click on create API. So then here we create a new resource now. So click on create resource. Then give a resource name, whatever the resource name you need. Okay. So create now click on create resource. We have created the resource successfully. So now next we need to create a method. For creating method, make sure it is on resource and click on create method. So here method type you have to click on select get and here you select mock. Then scroll down and click on create method. So now we successfully created the method. So now scroll down. We have to put a message, okay? So here we have to click on integration response. Here click on edit. So here we click on mapping template. Here we need to put the template body, okay? So here you need to put a message like this, or you can give any message you want. Then scroll down, click on save. So we have saved the message. Okay. Now scroll down. Here, click on test. So scroll down, click on test. So whatever the message you have put in the mapping template, it will be displayed here. Okay, if it is not displayed, then it is called error. So you have to create everything from API. Also, you have to create from the scratch. Okay, so scroll up and click on deploy AI. So here you have to select the new stage, and here you can give any stage name that you want. Okay, I'm giving stage 1. Now click on deploy. So we have deployed the API successfully. So now copy the invoke URL. Okay, copy this URL and open a new tab and paste it here. So now you will get a message like a missing authentication token. So here you have to give a resource name what you have given in when you are creating API. So I have given new resource. So see. So what you have put in mapping template like a method, the message you have put in that, no, it will be displayed here. So this is your fourth experiment developing REST APIs with Amazon API Gateway. So what we have learned today is we have created a API and we have did a basic settings of API. Then we created a resource and we created a method and we set up the method. Then we test the method and we deployed the API and we access the API URL. Okay. So stay tuned for experiment 5 and thank you.